Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you on your Olymptrade app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click here on settings. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on platform. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down. So you come here to profit line. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my profit line disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.